Welcome students. Today we will start the examples of practice set 3.5. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आज आपण practice set 3.5 मधील उदाहरण सोडवणार आहोत. First example is given in figure. Ray PQ touches the circle at point Q. PQ is equal to 12, PR is equal to 8, and find PS and RS. Ray PQ touches the circle at the point Q and PRS is the second and which intersect the circle in the point S and R. Then we have to find PS and RS. Now we will take this ray PQ is a tangent of circle at point which touches the circle at point Q. Segment PRS is a secant which intersect circle at point R and S, and therefore by tangent secant segment theorem we can write PQ square is equal to PS into RP. PQ square is equal to PR into PS or PS into PR. Now PQ is given 12 bracket square. PS we have to find. PR is given 8. 12 square, that is 144, is equal to PS into 8 multiplied 8 gets converted to division 144 upon 8 and 144 upon 8, that is 18. 18 8s are 144, that we have to firstly find. Now PS we find, PR we find. Now we find RS by using the betweenness property. We get PS is equal to PR plus SR. PR plus SR or RS is equal to PS. The reason is P dash R dash S. Now PR we find, we have to given 8. RS we have to find. PS is given 18. RS is equal to 18 minus 8 and 18 minus 8, that is 10, and that we have to find. काय दिलं होतं? रे PQ दिलेला होता tangent at the point Q. Segment PRS secant दिलेली आहे, intersect the circle at the point R and S. Therefore by tangent segment and secant theorem PQ square is equal to PR into PS or PS into PR. PQ ची व्हॅल्यू टाकली 12 square is equal to PS into PR ची व्हॅल्यू टाकली 8. 12 square, that is 144, is equal to PS into 8 multiplied 8 करताना divide झाला 144 upon 8, that is 18. PS आला 18. Now PR plus RS means PS, and therefore because P dash R dash S, now putting the value of PR, that is 8, plus RS we have to find, is equal to 18. PR ची व्हॅल्यू 8 टाकली, PS ची 18 टाकली. अधिक आणि करताना ऋण झाला. 18 minus 8 किती आला? 10, आणि तीच व्हॅल्यू आली आपली RS ची. RS बरोबर 10. Next example is if chord MN and chord RS intersect at the point D, then we have to find two values. If RS is equal to 15, DS is equal to 4, MD is equal to 8, then find DL. Chords are intersecting each other at the point D internally, and therefore by using the internal division theorem of internal division of the chord of the chords, you have to give one, here you have to give one RD. RD is equal to 15. Then first is chord MN and chord RS intersect each other at point D inside the circle, and therefore by theorem of internal division MD into DN or DM into DN, DM into DN is equal to DR into DS, DR into DS. Now DS MD, that is DM, is given 8. We have to find DN. DR, that means RD, is given 15. DS is given 4. To find the DN, multiplied 8 gets converted to division. That is 4 to the 8. That means 15 upon 2. And 15 upon 2 means 7.5. And that we have to firstly find DN. Chord MN and chord RS intersect each other at the point D internally inside the circle. Therefore, by theorem of internal division of chords, DM into DN is equal to DR into DS. Putting the values, DM, that is 8, DN we have to find, DR is given 15, DS is given 4, 15 into 4, multiplied, it gets converted to division, 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, 15 upon 2, 15 upon 2 means 7.5, DN is equal to 7.5. This is the first answer. Now second answer we have to find, if RS is given now 18 and MD is given 9, DN is given 8, and we have to find DS. RS is given and we have to firstly find RD. Let we consider DS as X. Let DS is equal to X. Then RS is equal to RD or DR plus DS. RS is given 18. DR we have to find. DS we consider as X. Here R dash D dash S. Now to find DR, plus X gets converted to minus, 18 minus X. Now again by internal division of chords, chord MN and chord RS intersect at point D inside the circle, and therefore by theorem of internal division of chords, again we get DM into DN is equal to DR into DS. Now DM, that means MD is given 9, DN is given 8, DR we find 18 minus X, and DS we consider as X. 18, 8 9 is 72, 18 into X, 18X, minus X into X, X square. All this term gets converted to LHS, minus X square gets converted to plus, plus 18X gets converted to minus, plus 72 is equal to 0, and then factorize it. Product is plus 72, addition is minus 18, that is minus 12 6 12 6 72, minus 12 minus 2 6 minus 18. Therefore x square minus 12x minus 7x 6x plus 72 is equal to 0. X gets common, remaining is x minus 12. X minus 12 bracket as it is, remaining is minus 6. X minus 12 bracket gets common, and x minus 6 as it is equal to 0. X minus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 12 or x is equal to 6. But ds we taken as x. Therefore, ds is equal to x is equal to 12 or 6, and that we have to find. That means we can write here ds is equal to 12 or ds is equal to 6, and that we have to find. Chord MN आणि chord RS एकमेकांना इनसाइड द सर्कल ला ऍट पॉइंट डी ला इंटरसेक्ट करताय, म्हणून बाय थेरम ऑफ इंटरनल डिव्हिजन ऑफ chords DM into DN is equal to DR into DS. व्हॅल्यू टाकली आपण, DM ची व्हॅल्यू 8 टाकली into DN is equal to 15 into 4. हा मल्टिप्लाइड 8 करताना डिवाइड झाला, 4 ने 8 ला डिवाइड केलं 2, 15 upon 2 किती आला 7.5 ते आलं DM. सेकंड आपल्याला DS X कन्सिडर केला आपण, RS कसा तयार होतो, DR प्लस DS और RD प्लस DS, R डॅश D डॅश S. RS दिला 18, DR काढायचा, DS कन्सिडर केला X प्लस X करताना मायनस झाला, DR बरोबर 18 मायनस X. परत तेच chord MN and chord RS intersect at point D inside the circle by theorem of internal division of chords. Again dm into dn is equal to dr into ds. dm ची व्हॅल्यू 9, dn ची व्हॅल्यू 8, dr ची 18 - x, ds ची x. सॉल्व केलं. 18 8 9 चा 72, 18 - x into x, 18x - x square हे मायनस इकडे त्यांना प्लस झाला, प्लस इकडे त्यांना मायनस झाला. x square minus 18x plus 72 is equal to 0. फॅक्टर्स पाडले. प्रोडक्ट 72 ऍडिशन -18 म्हणून -12 आणि -6. मग x square minus 12x minus 6x plus 72 is equal to 0. x कॉमन काढला, x minus 12, परत -6 कॉमन काढला, x minus 12, x minus 12 ब्रॅकेट कॉमन निघेल. दुसरे टर्म उरलेल्या टर्म्स दुसऱ्या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये x minus 6 is equal to 0. मग x minus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. -12 इकडे त्यांना प्लस झाला म्हणजे x is equal to 12 or x is equal to 6. मात्र x म्हणजे काय केलं आपण, x ds कन्सिडर केलाय म्हणून ds ची व्हॅल्यू ds is equal to 12 or ds is equal to 6 आणि तेच आपल्याला काढायचं होतं. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज इन फिगर O is the center of the circle. Point B is a point of contact. Segment OE perpendicular to segment AD. AB is given 12, AC is given 8, and we have to find AD, DC, and DE. Therefore, segment or ray AB is a tangent to the circle at point B. Segment ACD or segment AD is a secant intersects the circle at points C and D, and therefore by theorem of tangent secant segment, AB square is equal to AC into AD. AB square is equal to external part of the secant AC into total part of secant, that is AD. AB square is equal to AC into AD. AB is given 12, 12 square, AC is given 8 into AD. 12 square, that is 144, is equal to 8 into AD. To find the value of AD, multiplied 8 gets converted to division, that means AD is equal to 18. 18 8s are 144. Now AD we find 18, AC is given 8, and then we find DC because AC plus DC is equal to AD. AC plus DC is equal to AD, A dash, C dash, D. AC we have to given 8, DC we have to find, AD we just find 18, plus 8 gets converted to minus 18 minus 8, DC is equal to 10. Now we have to find DE. If we see this, DC is the chord of the circle and OE is perpendicular to the chord, and therefore OE perpendicular to the chord, segment OE perpendicular to the chord DC, and therefore we know that perpendicular drawn from center to the chord, center of circle to the chord, bisects the chord, and therefore chord DC is bisected by the segment OE, that means DE is equal to half of the DC. DE is equal to half of DC. Half of DC, DC is given, we find 10, and therefore DC is equal to half of 10, that is 5, and that we have, sorry, DE, and that we have to find. काय दिलं होतं, रे AB tangent दिली आहे at the point B, ACD secant दिली आहे intersect the circle at the point C and D. By theorem of tangent secant segment theorem, AB square is equal to external part, बाह्य भाग सेकंडचा बाह्य भाग गुणिला सेकंडचा पूर्ण भाग AC इंटू AD. AB ची व्हॅल्यू दिली 12, 12 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर, AC दिलाय 8 इंटू AD, 12 चा स्क्वेअर 144 इज इक्वल टू 8 इंटू AD मल्टिप्लाइड 8 डिवाइड झाला, AD इज इक्वल टू 144 अपॉन 8 आणि 144 अपॉन 8 किती आला 18. मग आता AC दिलाय, AD काढला, DC काढता येईल, AC प्लस DC इज इक्वल टू AD, कारण A डॅश C डॅश D. AC दिलाय 8, DC काढायचा इज इक्वल टू 18, प्लस 8 इकडे त्यांना मायनस झाला, 18 मायनस 8 आला 10, DC बरोबर 10. मग सेगमेंट OE परपेंडिक्युलर सेगमेंट DC दिलेला आहे, मग परपेंडिक्युलर रॉन फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल टू द कॉर्ड बायसेक्स द कॉर्ड, म्हणून DE इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ DC. वर्तुळ केंद्रातून G वर टाकलेला लंब GV ला दुभागतो, म्हणून DE ची किंमत DC च्या हाफ आली. DC आपण काढला 10, 10 च्या हाफ आला 5, DE बरोबर 5 आणि तेच आपल्याला काढायचं होतं. Next example is PQ is equal to 6, QR is equal to 10, PS is given 8 and we have to give a find TS. Now we take PR as PQ plus QR, PQ plus QR, reason is P dash Q dash R. PR is equal to PQ is given 6, QR is given 10, PR is equal to 16. Now chord ST and chord QR, chord ST and chord QR intersect each other at point Q or at point P outside the circle, and by theorem of external division of chords we get PT into PS, PT into PS is equal to PR into PQ. Now PT we have to find, PS is given 8, PR is we find 16, PQ is given 6. PT we have to find, multiplied 8 gets converted to division, 16 divided by 8 that is 2 and 2 6 are 12. PT we find 12. Now we have to find TS. PS is given. How we find PT? PS plus TS or ST. PS plus TS is equal to PT. P dash S dash T. PS we have to give on 8. TS we have to find. PT we find 12. TS is equal to 12 minus 8 and 12 minus 8 that is 4 and that we have to find. काय दिलं होतं? PQ ची व्हॅल्यू दिली 6, QR ची दिली 10, PS दिलाय 8, TS आपल्याला काढायचा आहे. आता दोघी कॉर्ड ST आणि QR एकमेकांना आउटसाइड द सर्कल ऍट द पॉइंट P काय करतायत? डिवाइड करतायत. म्हणून आपल्याला बाय थेरम ऑफ एक्सटर्नल डिव्हिजन ऑफ कॉर्ड्स वापरावं लागेल. PT इंटू PS इज इक्वल टू PR इंटू PQ. आधी आपल्याला PR काढावं लागेल. मग PR कसा काढणार? PQ अधिक QR, P डॅश Q डॅश R. PQ ची किंमत 6, QR ची 10, 6 आणि 10 16, PR 16 आला. आता कॉर्ड ST आणि कॉर्ड QR एकमेकांना इंटरसेक्ट करता ऍट द पॉइंट P आउटसाइड द सर्कल, म्हणून बाय थेरम ऑफ एक्सटर्नल डिव्हिजन ऑफ कॉर्ड्स PT इंटू PS इज इक्वल टू PR इंटू PQ. व्हॅल्यू टाकल्या. PT जसं तसा PS ची टाकली 8 इज इक्वल टू PR ची 16, PQ ची 6, मल्टिप्लाइड 8 डिवाइड झाला 16 इंटू 6 अपॉन 8, 8 ने 16 ला डिवाइड केलं 2, 2 6 जा 12, PT आला 12. आता PT कसा तयार होतो? PS प्लस TS, कारण P डॅश H डॅश T. PS दिलाय 8, TS काढायचा, PT काढला पण 12, प्लस 8 इकडे त्यांना मायनस झाला, TS इज इक्वल टू 12 minus 8 that is 4 and that we have to find TS is equal to 4. Next example is in figure, segment EF is the diameter, segment DF is a tangent segment, radius of the circle is R. Prove that DE into GE is equal to 4R square. EF is diameter, and therefore EF is equal to the twice to the radius of the circle. Equation number 1. Now segment DGE is the tangent segment, sorry, secant. DF is the tangent, and therefore segment DF is tangent to the circle, sorry, tangent of the circle at point F. Segment DGE is a secant intersect the circle at points G and E, and therefore by tangent secant segment theorem, DF square is equal to DG into DE, equation number 2. Now HF is the radius and which is perpendicular to the tangent. Radius HF is perpendicular to the tangent DF, and therefore angle EFD or DFE is of 90 degree, and therefore in triangle DFE angle DFE is equal to 90 degree, and therefore by Pythagoras theorem hypotenuse is DE, and therefore DE square is equal to DF square plus EF square or EF square plus DF square, and therefore DE we have to find, that is DE square. EF is the twice R from equation 1, and DF square is DG into DE from equation 1 and 2. Now DE square is equal to 2R square means here 4R square plus DG into DE. This plus gets converted to minus, that is DE square minus DG into DE is equal to 4R square. Now from both DE gets common, from DE square DE gets common, remaining is DE minus here DG is equal to 4R square. If we see figure DE minus DG, that is GE. Therefore, but DE, how we find DE? DG plus GE, D dash G dash E plus DG gets converted to minus, that is DE minus DG is equal to GE, and therefore here equation 3 becomes, putting the values, DE into DE minus DG, that is GE is equal to 4R square, and that we have to find. काय करायचं होतं, काय घेतलं आपण, EF is the diameter, म्हणून EF ची व्हॅल्यू रेडियसच्या दुप्पट घेतली, इक्वेशन 1. Segment DF is a tangent of the circle at the point A. F segment DGE is the secant intersect the circle at the point G and E. But tangent secant segment theorem नुसार DF square is equal to DG into DE, equation 2 घेतला. और रेडियस HF tangent DF ला परपेंडिकुलर आहे म्हणून अँगल EFD और किंवा DF हा 90 आला. मग ट्रायंगल DFE मध्ये बाय पायथागोरस थेरम DE स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू EF स्क्वेअर प्लस DF स्क्वेअर, D स्क्वेअर ॲज इट इज, EF दिला आपल्याला इक्वेशन 1 मध्ये घेतला आपण 2R स्क्वेअर प्लस DF स्क्वेअर इक्वेशन 2 वरून घेतला DG into D फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2. D स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू स्क्वेअर ऑफ 2R इज 4R स्क्वेअर प्लस DG into DE. हा प्लस इकडे त्यांना मायनस झाला, DE स्क्वेअर मायनस DG into DE इज इक्वल टू 4R स्क्वेअर. दोघांमधला DE कॉमन काढला, DE इंटू ब्रॅकेट DE मायनस DG इज इक्वल टू 4R स्क्वेअर, इक्वेशन 3 म्हटला. फिगर मध्ये जर आपण घेतलं तर DE कसा तयार होतो, DG प्लस GE म्हणून डीई बरोबर डीजी प्लस जी, हा प्लस डीजी करताना मायनस झाला तर काय मिळेल, डीई मायनस डीजी इज इक्वल टू जी, आणि ही व्हॅल्यू टाकली आपण इक्वेशन 3 मध्ये. इक्वेशन 3 बिकम्स डीई इंटू डीई मायनस डीजी टाकला आपण जीई इज इक्वल टू 4r स्क्वेअर, आणि तेच आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं. इथे आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.5 मध्ये सर्व एक्झाम्पल समजून घेतले. मला खात्री की तुम्हाला हे उदाहरणं समजले असतील तर माझ्या चॅनलला लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा.